Hello everyone, it's Trevor again with SpendPal. I'm going to introduce to you the first step towards building a dynamic spending plan. Now I have a little bit of recency bias here. My wife and I just bought a little TV stand from IKEA, and I mean, you guys don't know me all that well. I'm not a handyman, so building something, putting something together isn't necessarily in my wheelhouse. But the nice thing with IKEA is they give you a step-by-step, breakdown or instructions of how to do it. And so it was amazing. I mean, sometimes I didn't even know what I was doing, but I would just follow exactly what it was saying. And when all was said and done, voila, I had this nice new TV stand. So these steps or challenges that we're going to give you over these next few days are the exact same way. It may seem quite simple what we're asking you to do some days. Some of the steps may be a little bit harder, but if you just follow each of these steps in order, I can promise you that at the end, voila, you're going to have an awesome dynamic spending plan. So if you look at my screen here, this is a Google spreadsheet that each and every one of you will have access to if you don't already. I'll send you a link with that. And the first thing that I want you to do, this is the first page on the spreadsheet, is it's just a list of different potential categories that you may need to spend money in. So everything from mortgage all the way down to dental bills, kids allowance, and you can say if it is a monthly expense or if it's an annual expense, so yearly. So there's some things that don't come around monthly, and so all we're asking you to do in this step is just go down and it says include. Just click the boxes next to the ones that you have. Now I mentioned, and I'm going to reiterate, that if you are married or have a significant other, do this exercise with them. If there's over a 50% chance that either one of you will have an expense in one of these categories, click the box. As you come down, there's going to be a list of several pre-built categories. If you come down even further, there's a blank section. So if there's something that you guys know you have expenses in, maybe it'd be worth going through a bank statement or a credit card statement if you have one of those, just to make sure that all categories are being accounted for. So that's it for this first one. Really simple. Just go through and check those off, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.